Yeah, this is Mark Cook at Dalinghaus Construction. Happy Tuesday from beautiful Poway, California. We're a little east of Poway, more in the woodsy areas, but we came across a lead that we were sent to, and this house is probably about 100 years old. And this is what they used to make footings out of. Now that we do concrete and rebar and form it up, but what they used to do is take rocks that they could find and do a mortar and then build the house right on top of that brick and or rock and mortar foundation. So in LA County there's a lot of river rock foundation from a lot of the older homes, but this is just a little different style of rock and mortar. It's one of those jobs we do a few of them a year. We're doing a big job in Riverside, California with multiple structures where we're removing all the rock and replacing the foundation. So here what we would do, what my bid's gonna be, is we're gonna excavate out, start removing the rock, and then in the place of the rock we will put in bottle jacks. So it's going to be like they're called sacrificial jacks, because at the end they'll end up being poured in the concrete. So there's going to be rebar, concrete, and these jobs aren't these are not cheap. You're going between $500 and $1,000 a foot. So we kind of map this out at or price this out, you know, just a general at around 65 grand. So it's 130 feet times 500. And then also, one thing you got to be aware of when you're dealing with houses like this is the wood sill plate or the mud sill that's on top of the footing. That could be disintegrated, have termite damage, so that may need to come out as well. So that's another probably $30 to $50 a foot. So in actuality, this $65,000 job could go to $80,000 pretty quickly just by having some wood rot and stuff like that. But just kind of what I wanted to show you. This is a cool historic home that can be fixed by Dalinghaus Construction. We're normally doing galvanized steel piers into bedrock, but sometimes you come across stuff like this. So hope you have a great day, and adios from beautiful Poway.